Hello students, welcome back. Let's complete the homework problems. Yesterday I gave two problems for homework. 9th one is one of the homework. That is 8p minus 5 divided by 7p plus 1 equals to minus 2 by 4. So we have a fraction on left side of a equal symbol and right side of a equal symbol. So very simple, let's do the cross multiplication. So 8p minus 5 into the denominator of right side, that is 4. Next 7p plus 1 into the numerator of right side, that is minus 2. So now 8p into 4, 8 4s are 32p minus 5 4s are 20. It is equals to 7p into minus 2 minus 14p plus 1 into minus 2, it is minus 2. Now write p terms left side and constants right side. So p terms 32p and one more p term, that is minus 14p. So then it will become plus 14p equals to constants minus 2. First you have to write the right side constant number. Next to left side constant number minus 20, then it will become plus 20. So 32 plus 14p, 2 plus 4 6, 3 plus 1 4, 46p equals to minus 2 plus 20 is 18. Now p equals to 18 divided by 46. So now both are coming in 2 table, 2 9s are, 2 23s are. So it is equals to 9 by 23. So our required answer is 9 by 23. Next to second homework problem, 4t plus 9 by 11 equals to 8 plus 3t by 2. So we have a single fraction of left side and right side of a equal symbol. So when you have a single fraction of left side and right side of equal symbol, do cross multiplication. So 4t plus 9 into 2, it is equals to 8 plus 3t into 11. 4t into 2, 8t, 9 2s are 18, 8 into 11, 88, plus 3 into t, 33t. So write variables left side and constants right side. So variables are 8t, one variable, one more variable, that is 33t. So minus 33t equals to constant numbers 88. First you have to write the right side constant number, that is 88. One more constant number 18. So then it will become plus 18. So 8t minus 33t is minus 25t equals to 88 minus 18, 70. Now t equals to 70 divided by minus 25. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. So then t equals to, here minus can write in the numerator place, so minus 14 divided by 5. So our required answer is minus 14 divided by 5. So children, now do the example 18, that is solve x minus 4 by 7 minus x plus 4 by 5 equals to x plus 3 by 7. So if you are observing the question, equal symbol left side 2 fractions and right side 1 fraction given. So left side 2 fractions you make it as a 1 fraction. So then after do cross multiplication. So how to do the 2 fractions into a 1 fraction, that is finding the LCM. So the LCM of 7 comma 5 both are prime numbers. So 7 comma 5 prime numbers LCM is their product, that is 35. So 35 in 7 table 5s are, so 5 into numerator, so 5 into x minus 4 minus 35 in 5 table 7s are, 7 into numerator, 7 into x plus 4. So it is equals to x plus 3 divided by 7. Now 5 multiply inside, 5 into x is 5x, 5 4s are 20 minus 7 into x is 7x and here very important, minus 7 into plus 4 minus 28 divided by 35 equals to x plus 3 divided by 7. So now let us simplify the numerator. 5x minus 7x. 5x minus 7x is minus 2x. Next to minus 20 minus 28 minus 48 divided by 35, it is equals to x plus 3 by 7. X plus 3 by 7. See here at the beginning we have two fractions in the given question. Now it became one fraction. So now we can do the cross multiplication. So minus 2x minus 48 numerator of left side multiply with the denominator of right side of equal symbol. Next to x plus 3 into 35. So now 7 multiply inside, minus 2x into 7 minus 14x minus 48 into 7. So minus 7 8s are 56, 5 carry, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 5 33 equals to x into 35, 35x plus 35 into 3, 5 3s are 15, 1 carry, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, 105. So now write x terms left side, constants right side. So left side already one x term, that is minus 14x, one more x term, that is 35x. So then it will become minus 35x. It is equals to constant numbers, first 105, next one more constant number 336. So then it will become plus 336. So minus 14x minus 35x is minus 49x equals to 105 plus 336. 5 plus 6 11, 1 carry, 4, 3 plus 1 4. So then x equals to 441 divided by minus 49. So now 7 table, 7 7s are 49, 7 6s are 42, 2 remainder 21, 7 3s are 21. Now 7 1s are 7, 7 9s are 63. So finally x equals to 9 by minus 1. So 9 by minus 1 equals to minus 9. So now coming to exercise 2.5. In the exercise 2.5 here 11th problem, same like a previous example problem. So x plus 5 divided by 6 minus x plus 1 divided by 9 equals to x plus 3 divided by. So the left side of equal symbol, two fractions given, so you make it as a one fraction. So how it is possible? By finding the LCM of 6 comma 9. So the LCM of 6 comma 9, 6 and 9 both are coming in 3 table, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Now 2 and 3 consecutive numbers, so 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So the LCM is 18. Now 18 in 6 table, 3s are 3 into numerator, 3 into x plus 5 minus 18 in 9 table, 2s are 2 into numerator x plus 1. So it is equals to x plus 3 divided by 4. Now 3 multiply inside, 3 into x is 3x plus 3 into 5 is 15 minus 2 into x is minus 2x minus 2 into plus 1 is minus 2 divided by 18 equals to x plus 3 divided by 4. So now 3x minus 2x is just x, 15 minus 2 is 13 divided by 18 equals to x plus 3 divided by 4. See, at the beginning we have a two fractions, now it became single fraction. So now we can do the cross multiplication. So x plus 13 into 4 equals to x plus 3 into 18. So now 4 into x is 4x plus 13 4s are 52. 18 into x is 18x plus 3 into 18 is 54. Now write variables left side and constants right side. So 4x minus 18x equals to constant numbers 54, one more constant number plus 52, then it will become minus 52. 4x minus 18x is minus 14x, 54 minus 52 is 2. Then x equals to, x equals to what, children? 2 divided by minus 14, 2 ones are 2 sevens are, it is equals to 1 by minus 7. So 1 by minus 7, it is equals to minus 1 by 7. So next problem, 12th one, 3t plus 1 by 16 minus 2t minus 3 by 7 equals to t plus 3 by 8 plus 3t minus 1 by 14. So what is the difference between these two questions? Here in the previous question we have a two fractions, left side of equal symbol and right side one fraction. But in this question two fractions are on left side and right side of the equal symbol. So left side and right side you have to simplify, you have to make them one fraction on both sides of a equal symbol. So the LCM of 16 comma 7. So 6 sevens are 42, 2 4 carry, 7 ones are 7, 7 plus 4 11. So now 7 into 3t plus 1 minus 16 into 2t minus 3. So it is equals to next 8 comma 14 LCM 8 and 14. So first two table, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 4 and 7 both are co-prime numbers. So 7 4s are 28, 28 2s are 56. So 56 is a LCM of two denominators which are 8 and 14. So 56 in 8 table 7s are, so 7 into t plus 3. 56 in 14 table, 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 fours are 56. So 14 fours are 56, 3t minus 1. So let us simplify this. First of all, 7 into 3t plus 1, 7 3s are 21t. Next 7 into plus 1 is 7. Next simplify the second term, 16 of 2t minus 3 minus 16 into 2t minus 32t minus 32t minus 16 into minus 3 plus 48, because it is minus into minus, minus 16 into minus 3 plus 48 divided by 112. So it is equals to, now coming to right side, let us simplify this. 7 bracket of t plus 3, 7 into t 7t, 7 into 3 21. Next plus, let us simplify this. 4 3s are 12t, 4 into minus 1 minus 4 by 56. Okay. Now coming to left side of equal symbol, first here 21t minus 32t is minus 11t. 7 plus 48 plus 55 by 112 equals to, next here 70 and 12t, 19t, next 21 minus 4 plus 17 divided by 56. See children, in the given question, left side 2 fractions, right side 2 fraction, but after simplification, left side 1 fraction and right side 1 fraction. Okay, so now let's do the cross multiplication. So here minus 11t plus 55 into 56 into 56 equals to 19t plus 17 into 112. So here let us multiply 56 in inside. Minus 11 into 56, so I did the calculation in my rough note, minus 616 into t plus 55 into 56, 3080 equals to 19t into 112, 19 into 112, 2128 t. Next 17 into 112, 1904, 1904. So now write variables left side and constants right side. So left side variable is 616t, right side variable 2128t, so then it will become minus 2128t. It is equals to constant numbers 1904, 1904, next minus 3080. So minus 616t minus 2128t equals to minus 2744t equals to 1904 minus 3080 equals to 1176 minus 1176. Then t equals to minus 1176 divided by minus 2744, minus minus cancel. Now let us do the calculation. 1176 by 2744. So let's simplify. Both are coming in 7 table. 7 ones are 7. What is the remainder? 4 is a remainder. Next digit 7, 47. 7 6 are 42. What is the remainder? 5. Next 6. 7 8 are 56. Next here 7 3 are 21. 7 3 are 21. What is the remainder? 6 remainder. Next digit 4. 7 9 are 63. Remainder 1. Next digit 4. 7 2 are 14. Again 7 table. 7 2 are 14. 2 remainder. Next digit 8. 7 4 are 28. Here 7 5 are 35. 4 remainder. Next digit 2. 7 6 are 42. Now 24 and 56 both are coming in 8 table. 8 3 are 24. 8 7 are 56. So the final answer is 3 by 7. So the required answer is 3 by 7. So children, I am giving 2 problems for homework. The first question is 7x minus 3 by 6 minus 2x minus 3 by 4 equals to 5 by 4. Next, the second question, 3x minus 1 by 5 minus 1 plus x by 2 equals to x by 4 minus x minus 1 by 6. What we have learned in this class, we learned the topic is reducing equation to simpler form. and we learned few more problems related to this topic, and we completed first bit of last exercise of this chapter. I hope you understand this class. So send your homework through WhatsApp. Thank you.